everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you very simple design on this glass bottle. I am going to be using two Amagic brushes. One is a 16 and one is a 12. Fine liner by Westonia. And then I have three different sizes of the painting daubers where you just dab the paint onto whatever it is you're painting. I'm also going to be using all FolkArt paints, Thicket, Autumn Leaves, Yellow Ochre, Light Lavender, Violet Pansy, and Magenta. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going to begin by using the largest of the daubers, and I'm going to be putting that into the light lavender and just putting them, just kind of altering them here on the bottle. If you follow my videos, you know that I like to do odd numbers. Then I'm going to paint or put the middle one into the magenta, put it into the center. Actually, I might want to put more paint on there. Come in here, put on the center, and I'm not meaning to be perfect. I want it just to be very loose. Autumn Leaves with the smallest one, and I'm going to put it into the center and pop down. So you see a little bit of the magenta, but not all of it. You just see a little bit of it. Okay. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is use the number 16 round brush. Probably should have put more paint on my brush, but I'm going to go into the yellow ochre, to the thicket, and oh, I'm sorry. That is not what I wanted to do. I am being silly today. I actually wanted to do the leaves first. I don't know what I was thinking. Alright, so I'm going to go in here to the Violet Pansy, put the number 12 brush into the paint. Sorry about that. Get a little confused sometimes. And I'm just going to push down and pull towards the center. And you can leave a space. You can put it right next to each other. I like to kind of vary it if possible, as well as varying the lengths of the petals. Just put them towards, put them towards. Alright, do the same thing down here. Let's push down and pull towards the center, push down, pull towards the center, come over here. Make them different lengths. It's very simple, guys. If you're new to my channel, that's what my channel is all about. Providing quick, easy designs that anybody can paint. I just like to encourage people to have a hobby that they can actually enjoy and relax. Alright, so then I'm going to stick the brush into the light lavender. Come back around, push down, pull, push down, pull. And yes, I'm going over the top of these. It'll be fine. Anytime I paint something though, if you don't like it, just omit that part. That part, excuse me, not a part, but that part. If you want to just keep it with the one color of petals, feel free to do so. If you're a more experienced painter and you want to make the design more advanced, feel free to do so. But again, my intent is to help people not be afraid to be creative. All right. Easy peasy, right? All right, so I already loaded this brush, and now I'm going to really come in and do some leaves. Now on these leaves, you can do them just like you did the petals for the flowers, or you can do it where you touch down, you pull back a little bit, and then you press down, which I don't think that did not do what I wanted it to do, but that's all right. Let's see if I can do it. Let's do it here. Okay, so you're touching down, you're pulling back, and you're pushing down. So you kind of got a little bit of a tip there. Hopefully you can see that. Push down a little bit, pull, push down harder. I don't think that one did it as well either. Dagnabbit. All right, let's try it over here. So I'm touching, pulling, and pushing down. If I can get my brush to do that, it's not doing it. All right, let's see if we can get it to do it here. You just get a little bit of a tip. It doesn't want to work today for some reason. Or you can just stick to those. Easier to do. Touch, then push it down, pull it back. And I'm just going to randomly place these around the flowers. So you can do that type, or you can just stick to the regular ones that you would do. All right, not going to get too fancy with this, but then I'm going to use my liner to just come in here, go over that one, come in there. Again, just keeping it simple. Keeping it simple. All right, and there you have it. You can do them smaller, but I tend to do everything big for whatever reason, but that's how I roll. All right, I hope you like this design. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Prior to leaving, if you would take a moment to share this video on your social network with your family and friends, I would greatly appreciate that. Just hit on that share button underneath the video, and it'll give you the options of where you can share it, and you're good to go. All right, until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one. See you next time.